It's almost Christmas. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year in advance. So today I'm going to share with you this delicious cake recipe, and trust me, you will fall in love with it if you try it. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes, and trust me, you will love it here. Okay, so please do not make it to the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. Let's start with today's activity. So I have a stick of butter. I added 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, a tablespoon of white sugar. You can increase the quantity of sugar. Okay, now I am whisking it and I am almost done. Okay, I'm just going to add my eggs. We are using 3 eggs in today's recipe, so we will be adding it to it bit by bit. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Once again, my returning subscribers and followers, thank you for always coming here to watch my videos. Please, we are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Follow us for more videos. If you want our videos in G, Recipe Goddess is the name. So follow us on Recipe Goddess on YouTube. That is our G channel. Okay, we do the videos in the local dialect. Now we are done whisking everything, and just look at that creamy butter we have. So perfect. I'll go ahead and then add my all-purpose flour. You can choose to use soft flour or cake flour. So we will be adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I just want to add it to it bit by bit. I don't want to mess the place up. Okay, so I'll add it to it bit by bit. So I am done mixing everything. So my flour contains half a tablespoon of baking powder and then a pinch of salt. When I add the flour to it and I realize that it is a bit hard for me to mix, I'll go ahead and then add my milk to it. So I'll be adding the milk to it bit by bit. In all, we are going to use 1 cup of milk. So if you want to increase the quantity of milk, you can do so. Okay, now you can see it looks good. If you've watched me till this point and you like the video, why not please like the video for me. Leave me your comment in the comment section and I'll be very happy if you share the video to others. I brought you a video that was 6 minutes, okay, and someone was complaining bitterly that I have wasted I should stop wasting people's data. The video is too long and a whole lot. See, sometimes the video is like 7 hours. We will edit it to 6 minutes and you are complaining. That is not nice. Please, you people should have mercy on us. Okay, we do a lot of things to bring you a video. Sometimes it will take us hours. Like this recipe like this, I can use just 10 minutes to mix everything. I am done. But because it is video, it will take hours, because you take the video from different angles, and then we don't want some people like this person who is talking plenty to see anything bad about our video. So we will make sure we do it well. Okay, and that takes a lot of time and patience. Sometimes it takes days or weeks for some of us to get just a thumbnail, because we don't want to bring any thumbnail like that. We just want to bring something beautiful. Do you get it? Now I've added a tablespoon of vanilla and then my raisin. I love raisin in my baking recipes. So my sweetheart, it is not that some of us we like talking, but it is because this is all about you scratching my back and I scratch your back as well. Okay, when you watch the recipe, it helps you. You learn from it and we learn from each other. Moreover, if you watch it, it helps us. So I'm helping you and you are helping me. So sometimes some of you should have patience and then understand us. Not that we like talking, but it's because we did a lot of things before getting that 6 minutes video. Okay, that is just by the way, but please try to watch videos in full and don't complain. I will put this in my oven, and after 30 minutes, this is how it looks. I baked it at 350 Fahrenheit, and oh my goodness, this was so good and delicious. If you have a toddler at home, okay, when they get to some point, they love handy foods. Okay, So that is why sometimes you may experience this. You'll be like, my daughter doesn't like food. It is a stage. Okay, so when they get to that stage that they always like handy foods, like maybe 2 years upwards, okay, they like handy foods, you can prepare something like this with low sugar, and then you cut them just like this, put it in your container, or you just keep it in the Ziploc bag, place it in the fridge. When you wake up in the morning, you just microwave some for your toddler, for he or she to enjoy, than for you to say that she doesn't like food or whatever. Do you get it? Yes, sometimes when you give it to them, they just eat small, put the rest somewhere, go and play, come back, and then continue. Yes, they like handy food. So this is all what I want to share with you, and thank you so much for your time. So I come your way next time. See you. Bye bye.